Chenro mag wuodhe mag ndeke ne obedo gi ng'ikruok e paw ndege ma Jomo Kenyatta International Airport bang' jotije pewe ndeke chako ng'anyo margi. Jotijego ne odagi dok e tich kata doko ni doho nyo chungo ng'anyo makamano. Giywak ni winjruok mane giketo gi tend paw ndeke pok ochop kare. Ng'anyono ne okelo digni mar chenro mag wuodhe ka ndeke ne okwame apap. Kembe kaka Kenya Airways kod mamoko ne oyudo lal kaluwore gi ng'anyo makamano.
These are still the initial stages of our strike action, because in the coming hours we will be asking Kenya Airports Authority employees to join the strike. And this has even, the situation has been made worse by the decision to deploy the GSU, the police officers at the airport. As we speak, we have the GSU officers manning the entry points and the exit points at JKIA. And because of that, we are immediately withdrawing all employees on duty now, all KA employees. We are asking them to leave and to go home. We are equally asking employees who are expected to report duty in the evening from KQ, from KAA, from Swissport, and all other ground handling companies not to report to duty.